Good morning, students and traders. This is FX Pathfinder, and I'm going to review the Great British Pound US Dollar. Current time is 8:48 a.m. Today's date is 6/20/2012. Now, we know the Great British Pound US Dollar daily time frame, or excuse me, weekly time frame. The market's stuck in this trading range where it's bouncing between support and resistance, and reacting anywhere between 500 and 800 pips. Thus far, since the last time we hit our support level, the market has rallied up bullish about 500 pips. At this point in time, the market is hitting a level of past support, which is holding us future resistance. Now, this will cause the market, or should cause the market, to react bearish. Why? Because it did it here, it did it here, it did it here, and we're just expecting it to do it again. Why? Because past history tends to repeat itself when dealing with the foreign exchange. Now, these bearish movements were anywhere between 174 pips and 349 pips, and basically I'm expecting the same reaction to take place. So when I look at my daily time frame, I'm expecting this market to pull back bearish now. I'm also going to extend a level of support, or a red line across. And now I'm starting to see, okay, the market's hitting support, holding as resistance. I'm going to expect this to come back down. So therefore, I'm looking on the smaller time frames for any reason that supports my bearish opportunity. Well, when I turn my 4-hour time frame, that up A, B, C, D swing we've been tracking, and remember I said when it broke above 1.5600, expected to rally to 1.5773, about 200 pips. Well, the market rallied up over 200, well, just shy of 200 pips, 180 pips, hit that D extension today. So therefore, I have no choice but to recognize the market's going to begin to pull back, looking for a new potential C. Because that's the education that I've been taught from the Ultimate Traders Package by Market Traders Institute. Now, on my 1-hour time frame, basically, I'm just looking for a reversal. So I'm looking for a bearish candlestick formation. I'm looking for the market to make lower lows, lower highs. My D extension was fulfilled. I'm going to bring it to my 15-minute time frame, and this is what I'm looking at. I'm waiting for a counter trend line break. I'm waiting for a low to form, followed by a high lower than this high, and I'm good to go for a nice little short. Well, the only thing I'm waiting for is my entry. That's the hardest thing that most traders cope with, is emotionally being able to wait for the proper entry. But be that as it may, as we can see that we're hitting a very, very strong level of resistance off the weekly time frame. The 4-hour D extension has been fulfilled, and this thing is screaming bearish opportunity. Now, 12:30 p.m. Eastern time, we do have federal interest rates coming out. So therefore, I'm expecting whatever the news to be very favorable for the US dollar. Why? Because the technical analysis is favorable for the US dollar at this point in time. Well, on that note, students, every day helping traders find a way. This is FX Pathfinder out.